If you are getting the could not connect error on Snapchat for Android or it says can't connect to the internet, here's you can fix the problem. Start by checking your internet connection. Open any browser or another app to confirm whether your mobile data or Wi Fi is working. If not, restart your router or toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. Next, clear Snapchat's cache by going to Settings, then Apps, App Management, or Manage Apps depends on your phone model. Then find Snapchat from the list. Tap on Storage, then Clear Cache. This removes any temporary files that may be causing glitches. If needed, also try Clear Data, but this will log you out of Snapchat. Ensure that Snapchat servers are up and not experiencing downtime. You can check Snapchat's server status using a site like Down Detector. If Snapchat is down, you will need to wait for them to fix it. Also, update the Snapchat app via the Google Play Store. Sometimes an older version can cause compatibility or connection issues. If you are using a VPN, turn it off. Snapchats often block suspicious IPs, and VPNs may cause your device to appear as coming from a flagged region. Make sure Snapchat has the right permissions. Go to phone settings again, then apps, app management, or manage apps, then find Snapchat from the list. Tap on it, tap on permissions now, and enable anything related to mobile data, Wi Fi, and background data users. If nothing works, reboot your phone and, as a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. This refreshes the app installation and often resolves deeper bugs. After doing all this, Snapchat should connect to the internet without errors.